day, legends! I'm Dazza the Creative Koala, and today I'm walking you through how I built the visual style of Outback using AI image generation tools.
Before I touched any AI tool, I had to ask, what's the story? I knew I wanted something raw and cinematic, with an Aussie sci-fi vibe. Think The Predator meets Mad Max meets 80s Saturday morning cartoons. That vibe shaped every creative decision that followed.
To bring that world to life, I jumped into Midjourney. If you've never heard of it, Midjourney is a powerful AI tool that turns text descriptions, called prompts, into images. The more descriptive your prompt, the better the results.
When you're writing prompts, structure is everything. Here's an example of a prompt without structure. Image of a muscular kangaroo carrying a large gun. Yeah, nah. Not even close.
There's a simple way to build solid prompts. Just follow these 7 steps. 1. Type of image. Start with what kind of image you want. It could be an illustration, photo, an anime style. Pick your flavor. 2. Main subject. Say what the main focus of the image is. Be specific, like an anthropomorphic army kangaroo. 3. Describing words. Add a few details to shape the subject. What are they wearing? What's their mood? What are they doing? Think adjectives, action, and attitude. 4. Setting. Drop your character into a scene. A desert, a spaceship, a moody forest, wherever your imagination wants to go. 5. Style. This one's optional, but powerful. Want it to look like a comic book? A watercolor painting? Toss that in here. 6. Negative prompt. Also optional. This tells the AI what not to include, like no humans. 7. Aspect ratio. Want a wide shot? A tall portrait? Add --AR, followed by the numbers.
I've added a downloadable PDF with this structure in the description to help you out. Now, let's check out the results using this well-structured prompt.
Now, I don't just make up prompts out of thin air. Well, not always. When I hit a creative wall, I bring in a little help from my digital mate, ChatGPT.
I'll type something like, help me craft a Midjourney prompt for a sci-fi Outback scene. Cinematic, moody, hyper-detailed. Boom! I get a beautifully structured prompt in seconds.
I'm essentially using one AI to help me talk to another. It's like Inception, but for creatives.
You can get to your settings panel up here. Here you can set your image size to fit most formats. Here's a good tip. If you're wanting more of an illustration style, change the version to Niji 6. Each version will give different outputs, so feel free to experiment. Once you've got a look you like, drag that image into the Style Reference panel. This tells Midjourney to copy this style's attributes. Then tweak the prompt, like changing kangaroo to an emu. It keeps the style consistent while swapping out your subject. If you want to see more of your image, use the editor to scale and reposition it. Then just type extend background as your prompt. This is what's called outpainting. Tap submit and view your 4 new variations. Let's say you don't like the helmet and want an army hat instead. Just erase the helmet area. And in the prompt panel, type army hat. This is what's called inpainting. Now up top, I can choose which version fits best. Once happy, hit upscale for more detail or download to use it right away.
Alrighty, in the next video, we're going to take those still images we made in Midjourney and bring them to life using AI video generators. Not just pictures anymore, we're talking full-on motion magic. So, hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for future videos.
Till next time, legends.